So good morning. Now I've been away in France for a week. I asked my daughter to water in the greenhouse once. So let's go and see how the plants and the seedlings have fared. Well, Cosmos survived. Sweet Pea survived. Looks like some of the tomatoes have started coming up. Sweet corn has only just started coming up. Tomato and pepper plant survived. One of these. Oh, that's my squash plants. They're coming up. Haven't been yet. Some of those squash have come up. The beans started coming up. Okay, that's got eaten a little bit. Oh, those are, what are they, ranunculus, they're fine. Hollyhock survived. These don't look too good. That is, what's it, it's yellow. Calendula. They survived. Oh, it looks like there's some ants there. Maybe the goes along. Yeah. And the brassica survived. So, it looks like everything survived, which is quite good. I'm going to give stuff a little water, I don't want it holding on too much. And then I'll investigate the potatoes. So all in all, I'm happy with the survival rate. Not bad for a week away. So I'm back down the plot after a week away. I've just trimmed one side path. So that looks a bit clearer, I can actually walk past it. But like with everything, the weeds are going crazy. The brassica's gone to seed. I just need to work my way one bed at a time, weeding stuff. I mean, unfortunately, I won't have time to do it all today, but I can do it a bit at a time. But yeah, in half an hour's time, I'm showing a new person that's possibly interested in the last medium plot. So we'll see how that goes. So let's see how much I can get done in half an hour. So this is what I mean by weedy. Lots of bits of weeds coming up in the path. The yellow brassica's gone to seed. Just spotted the first clematis sunflower. It's gorgeous. Look, I have a rose. A beautiful yellow rose. Well, the dead tree at the end of the garden's finally being chopped down. I'm just hoping it doesn't all drop onto my plants. So I thought I'd show you what the tree looks like now, after it's been partially taken down. So that's the top bit, so all the thinner limbs have been taken off. There's a few branches to pick up from my side, but all the thick stuff got taken over that way by the tree surgeon. Now, unfortunately, he wasn't shredding anything, so I couldn't get any bark chippings. Because the garden over there, they're going to keep the logs for burning. But yeah, no free bark chippings this time. Well, husband is trimming the side path. He's actually down here. The only reason he's down here is because he helped me move a couple of A-frames. So I think I can work on those on another day. So he's doing a bit of trimming. Considering it's hot, I'm just going to do a little bit of weeding and then finish, because I don't want to get too sunburnt. But that's the plan. So yeah, that side needs another go over. That looks slightly clearer. And that side's shorter now. And you can see it's trimmed at the front. Well, I'm down the plot. It's early, it's grey, but hallelujah! People have started doing things on the plots. Let me show you. So I am pleasantly surprised that people have cracked on with stuff. I did kind of send a group text going, hey, come on, it's May, time to crack on. I said some people were doing wonderfully, others were at risk of losing their plots. And that has been the kick up the butt for most people to get on with stuff. Right, I'm feeling really behind, so I am going to take up black plastic in some places and move it to other places. Sorry, the woven fabric, the weed suppressant. Not sure if I get all of it filmed. I've also got some strimming to do, but I just need to crack on. Changeable weather as normal. Okay, the rain has started. I will give you a quick look at what I've done. I didn't film it, I just got on with it. So let me show you. I planted out a few chard there. I have also covered up the brassicas there. I've tried to pick off the slugs. Who knows if they'll survive. I have weeded that bed. I have cut down the brassicas there, as you can see them on the path. I have planted beans there and beans there. More brassicas from in there, apart from the Taunton Dean kale. I've weeded the onions and I've put the proper weed suppressant thing for squash plants there. So I have not yet taken down half of this bed cover. Well, my hair's a mess because I've been in and out of the brassica tent. I was feeling quite overwhelmed at how much work there was to do. I just got on with it. It is quicker when you don't have to film. I've swept paths, I've piled up weeds, I trimmed the weeds, so I didn't pull them up by the roots, but I trimmed. Planted out the beans, pulled out brassicas. So I wanted to plant the brassicas I got there, but they've been kind of mellowed by the slugs. So I might just have to sow some more. We'll see. But yeah, they did forecast rain about midday and it is coming up to midday, so it's about on time. So I think I'm going to go home before I get absolutely soaked. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.